3, 2, 1. Exploration Station! Hi, I'm Hugo. Let's launch star rockets. We need rockets, markers, paper straws, tape, and scissors. Step 1. Design your rockets. A rocket is a thing that shoots fire under it, and it's like a big a thing that goes up in space. Like a big giant robot that travels space. Astronauts fly on rockets.
You ever want to fly on a rocket?
Maybe when I'm a little bit bigger. I finished! Step 2. Build your rockets. Ask a grown-up for help. Papa, can you help me?
Hey, bud.
Can you cut out the rockets for me?
Sure. All right, which one should I cut out first?
First you can cut out that one. Next you can cut out that one.
Okay. 3, 2, 1. Okay, how many rockets did we already cut out, Hugo?
5.
How many left?
1.
Oh, 5 plus 1 is
6.
6. Yeah. 3, 2, 1. Blast off! Okay. Hugo, can you find the matching rocket pairs?
Sure.
Let's lay them out so we can see.
Find the mixing rocket pairs.
Yeah, you're right. That was a good matching pair.
2 lines across.
You did a great job of matching. High five. Since there are 3 pairs,
Each pair will make 1 rocket. We can use tape to stick them together.
can we get some tape?
Mm-hmm.
All right, this is going to be very, very exciting.
That looks good.
Okay. Okay, one more little piece for the tip. Okay, tiny piece. You need to have no holes, right?
Mm-hmm.
Good job, Hugo.
Thanks. Bye, Papa. Step 3. Prepare your rockets for liftoff. Let's put the rockets onto straws. Not too deep. Like this. Step 4. Launch your rockets. 3, 2, 1. Straw rockets need air from our lungs to lift off. But real rockets need fuel to fly all the way to space. 3, 2, 1. I love launching rockets. See you next time.